guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got this guy today. Hey guy.
This guy.
So he randomly said, hey, got any videos to film? So I think that was his way of saying he wanted to come say hello, make his presence known, be part of a video.
Sure.
Oh, then why'd you ask?
I don't mind. It was a legitimate question. There was no hidden message.
He secretly
but
likes
I don't mind
it.
being
He likes
here.
it. So super exciting.
Is there something here for me?
Yeah, no.
Oh, well then.
This is all I have though. This is it. This is it. This is a ThredUp kids shoebox, but this guy's pretty great at dressing our kids and knows a thing or two about shoes these days. So
do I?
You do. Oh. Yeah.
I just think these look cool or those don't look cool.
Well, I actually haven't peeked in this box, which is a shocker for me because I've had so many boxes. But this box.
I thought in your videos you always say you don't know what's in them.
Well, I don't, but I usually untape it just so it's not like on the video, and you know, sometimes there's just a little peek like that. But I didn't do that.
Suspect, y'all.
Listen.
I have never seen anything in these boxes before the videos.
All right, so this one came from Mechanicsburg, which I don't typically get boxes from there. So
because it's where all the mechanics live.
Stop! We go over this every time. And usually
they don't have a lot of stuff there.
Stop it. Usually they're the best boxes.
I wish you could get me a mystery toolbox.
So one of the companies does like Lowe's or Home Depot, but I've watched videos and they all suck. So it's like the leftover holiday stuff or the returns. Anyway.
Tools. Well, if you ever find one with tools.
Okay. Well, if anybody knows where I can get him a tool mystery box. Oh, my hair is like a little extra today. Awesome. It's fluffy and
extra long.
So long. Oh my gosh. Okay. So $48. 10 pairs of shoes, $5.99 shipping. What does that make it? Just over $5. I don't.
$5.40 a pair.
Thanks, babe. So I keep you around. I should know that with how many I've done. But you guys, usually this is my favorite box. If I had to pick one ThredUp box, this is it. I've had great ones. I've had incredible ones, and I've had okay ones, but I still make profit. So let's do it.
Get into it.
Let's do it.
So
okay, Pennsylvania actually put some bubbles in there. Usually only Georgia does that for me.
Gotta tear the paper.
Okay.
All right.
Now, oh, I see something. No, you can leave it.
Leave it up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to give you these because I know you're not going to be excited by that.
Okay. So, what are these? These look like
That's
a
polo
man. Polo. Is that? Okay, I thought it was going to be like the U.S. Polo, not the.
No, Ralph one.
My good old friend, Ralph.
That's his logo.
So yeah, these are some kids' little Sherpa line boots. They are
Sherpa. Now I know a lot of things, but I don't know when they say Sherpa line. Is that a particular animal?
I think
or
it's
what does that
sheep.
mean?
Please don't ask me these questions.
Oh,
but I think it's sheep.
I'm gonna look it up now because that's just why I know a lot of things. I wonder stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Here we go. This is a size 6, but it says cow suede upper, like that's where leather comes from.
Right. And
then it says shearling lining. And so I think and actually has a name, the Sierra Booties. I think shearling is definitely sheep, right?
Okay.
I think one is like old sheep and one's baby sheep. I try not to think about these things. Like oh yeah. I don't know. Listen, just like I try to pretend that duck down.
You're either going to look it up or you're going to wait till the next video and I'm going to teach you.
Okay.
Because I'll look it up.
Anyway, these are actually in they look pretty worn on the bottom, but they're actually in pretty great condition on the top.
Here's the match. So these are cool, but I know they don't retail much for you or sell for much.
They retail.
They don't resell much for you.
And if they watch, I just went over this.
I like Sperry's personally. I think. What size are these?
These are cool looking.
1.5 though, so too small for a bug, right?
They're probably fitter. They're called the Biscayne Black Sparkle.
They're cute.
Yeah. She's like a 1.5.
A little bit of wear, but not bad.
Yeah, they're very cute.
So they're in shape.
So this is one of those things. One of the reasons I love this box, of course, who doesn't like to make profit? But we have 3 kids, and the chances of finding things in their size is pretty high. So these will fit one of our kids, and maybe she'll wear them, and I'll still end up selling them.
Now these could be a winner for a friend of ours if they're the right size.
She was looking for a pair.
She was looking for Vans, right?
I have a friend who does not enjoy thrifting.
3.5. She was looking for 3 or 5, I thought.
Yeah.
So this is a maybe.
Well, yeah.
We'll have to send her a message. Maybe not sell these.
I learned something new. It says U.S. men 3.5. I didn't know that men's and kids sizes are the same, and I learned that because of Crocs, and I had to look up their size chart. So, and there are 5 in women's. So
Which when she said 3 or 5, I wonder if she meant women.
yes.
Okay, so then these would be good for her older daughter then.
But I don't know what color she wanted. But yeah, these are Vans.
I think she said for school,
that
so I think black would work.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm gonna text her. You guys trade stuff, so.
She does. She gives me a lot of good
like
things.
I said, the soles in really good
I would be
condition.
willing to give her these for free, but I would.
I know you would.
Anyway, I'll clean them up a little bit because she just isn't like a thrifter, and I took her once and she was like, "I'll just tell you what to look for me, and you can do it."
All right.
Okay.
Hey,
Delaney has these.
a healthy pair of Nike tennis shoes.
I really like this style. These are actually my son's upcoming size.
So you're gonna keep those for
We probably will because they're just plain. They're lightweight.
Yeah, they're good. So you throw them in the washing machine.
Yeah, Delaney has these in black and
gray,
purple.
right?
They're like a purplish grayish.
Purplish gray.
Do you look blurry, or is it just?
You always think I do. Maybe you should get your eyes checked.
So I had LASIK and I had perfect vision, but now I work on my phone all the time.
Yeah. Oh, I know what she got excited about.
Do you see
Should
them?
we wait till the end?
No,
Break
maybe
them
there's
out
something
now?
better. I already
What
saw them.
rhymes with taco?
Chacos! We love Chacos!
And those are in really good condition.
These are my last,
like super good.
yeah,
Like,
my
look at
last
the sole.
pair of kids Chacos I got in a box. I think they were from
those are
Jomar.
awesome.
I don't know. But this thing was actually broken and they still sold for over $20.
Yeah.
Even with a broken thing. So these are,
I mean, they were worn, but like once or twice, I bet.
I will scrub these in the sink and they'll look brand new and I will recoup more than half the money of this box.
You'll be good there. All right.
Yay!
Well, that's a good one.
So Chacos, pick them up.
All right. Little kids. Converse All-Stars. They're cool ones because they're ones with the Velcro. No,
Oh, yeah, I like
they're
these.
not supposed to have laces. Or it's not Velcro, I'm sorry, elastic. I thought it was Velcro, but it's just elastic.
No, it is.
There's a Velcro on one side.
Yeah.
Oh, I correct myself that I was correct. There is Velcro in there.
These
as
are
well.
cute. I've actually never seen, I've seen this style. They're a toddler size 6.
Like how
but-
it says it down the tongue.
That's what I'm saying. I've never seen that before.
That's cool.
But great shape. You can always tell by looking at the back.
I mean, so far this box is pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, everything's been name brand so far.
I mean, yeah, everything can be sold for
yes,
sure.
absolutely.
Nothing that has to go to your
Once
call
in a
them?
child.
buy-sell trades or whatever
Yeah.
they call that. Now this, I don't have a clue, but maybe you'll be excited by this.
Oh, no.
I mean, look at the outdoor traction on these things. Like those are cleats.
These are some, I don't know. They're size 29, which is usually like around a 12. They say made in Brazil, but they don't have any other markings. Although this
That's why we haven't heard of
feels
it because it's
like,
a pair of four
this
inches.
feels like real
Oh,
animal fur.
it's definitely like, yeah.
But it doesn't say, so I can't. So the
'Cause I'm
brand
looking on the
is
inside. It's like leather.
Radgio, maybe.
Reggio.
So I did have a couple great pairs actually after filming in that Jomar box. Children's Chic, and there was some Naturino, and there was a couple other brands, but they're not from here. They're like from Spain and this and that.
That Atlanta one.
Oh, Atlanta moccasins. Yeah, so
we've
none of them
learned
are
about
like
stuff. So
local, so that people don't know about them, but they retail for a lot. So
Right,
maybe
yeah.
these
When
are
the right
something
person
like that,
finds them,
but
right?
yeah. So the chances of that happening, I don't know. And I don't even like
what size are they again, you said?
29, which is like a 12-ish in kids.
That does scream Delaney though. Not that our kids need any more shoes. This is the problem. You're like, oh, this would look good for so and so, and this would look good for so and so, and
Yeah, we
not
have
just your
had these.
standard pair of Converse.
Now these are what I consider beat up Converse, just
Yeah, they
because.
got heel wear. The logo's gone.
But some
toes
people
are stuffed
prefer
out.
how they look like this. So I will definitely use a magic eraser. They look better on the screen than they are in person. I'll throw them in the wash. They're a
Yeah, I see you cleaned up a little bit.
little kid size 1. They will still sell. The only problem with Converse, once you hit size 1, is you're leaving first class mail and you have to ship them flat rate envelope on
Way too
Kidizen.
much.
So you're looking at $8.55 shipping. They sell on Posh, of course, but anyway, so still not terrible.
We'll see what brand, but I'm thinking the first dud
Oh.
pair of.
No, this is Harper Canyon, and this
Is
is
it?
a
Where'd you
Nordstrom
get?
rack tag. Where do I see it? Right there.
Oh, right there. Mine had a sticker on it, kind of covering it. I didn't realize it.
So
Okay.
it says faux leather. These were $20 at Nordstrom Rack. I mean, these are just your basic black flat. They're a little girl size 3. I'll list these, but these are definitely, I mean, these are what you wear around Christmas time. I'm not going to get a lot.
Toe scuff though. You can see it there a little bit.
Yeah, okay, so there is some scuffing on this shoe. These will go right away. I have a bin in my closet that I literally just keep all the time for adding to Once Upon a Child. They'll give me a couple bucks and it's fine, but I've got so many others that will recoup that. So
This is interesting.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7,
I mean-
8, 9. There should be 1 pair left.
2.
Oh, so they gave me an extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, sometimes they do that if they give you like a pair of flip-flops or something.
Oh, so maybe that was like a freebie?
Maybe.
Okay. So some glittery
Knockoff.
Converse knockoffs.
Oh. These are
LM.
little
Parts?
mismatched.
So that means?
That's a brand,
Okay.
actually. So they're not knockoff. I mean, they're just high top sneakers, but
Weird how they have like a fake
Little
zipper all the way around
Mismatched
it.
is a brand.
See, I just never like these shoes. I've learned with the glitter on it because like it gets scuffed off easy.
Yeah.
Like, that's a wear spot. Like it doesn't
But
hold up.
these are, there's the inside. You can see the brand. Some of their stuff does retail for a lot. Don't know about the resale, but these are a little girl size 2. So these are definitely Delaney size, and these definitely scream her more than
the other
other
ones
things.
did. Yeah.
So-
I mean, she does like animal
And, I mean,
print,
these
but glitter
are,
is big.
like, you know, they've got some wear right
Oh, for
here
sure.
and all that.
Like
So
what are those called? The eyes.
yeah, there's some Rubbington. So you know what? Like I've said a million times now, we don't have uniforms this year, so they get to wear whatever they want to school. And so these I feel like are perfect school shoes, which is unless I don't have to buy school shoes. And so when you think about it like that, obviously this box is going to be very much a gamble if you don't have kids, if you're just specifically looking to resell. But for me, I just paid $5 for a pair of school shoes for my kids, you know, so it's all in. Oh, look at the back though. This is
the
cute.
last
Look,
one.
they don't match, of course.
The last one here we have new with tags.
Oh, so we got an extra pair. That's nice.
Golf cleats, Adidas kids golf cleats.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we know one person who has kids into golf, so I don't know if
No, we're not giving any more away. Like he's just trying to give away all my stuff. I'm trying to make some money here.
well, I mean, we'll sell, I'm sure, too. I
What
just
is
didn't know what the market was for selling.
I don't know. Look at
Well, that's
that.
it's the BOA system, so to loosen it, you pull it
BOA?
out. So it's called.
What do you do?
Pull it up,
How do you know this?
because I have golf cleats with this.
Oh.
So now your tongue's loose.
Okay.
And then, like, when you actually put your shoe on,
Okay.
right? Like, say you pull your tongue back down in there, push it back down,
Ooh.
and then just turn it clockwise, and it tightens up that cable.
Oh, but it didn't know.
It will.
Ah.
And you get
Cool.
it down your shoe.
Okay, now we all had a lesson in. Yeah, so if you said junior Adidas Power Boa Golf size
Sharp looking
3.5.
cleat.
Yeah. Cool. All right,
Okay.
Mechanicsburg. They say bounce. Yeah, 10 pairs. Possibly
Plus.
a pair for my friend who always gives my girls the best hand-me-downs. And those Mismatched and Converse and those leopard print. That's the only ones that I've never heard of the brand. These Harper Canyons, Chacos, these Polo, another pair of Converse, these Nikes, and these Sperry's. So I have to say, I think this was a pretty great box
It's a solid
for,
box.
yeah, for, what did I tell you, 48 plus $5.99?
I said $5.40 a pair.
$5.40 a pair, so not bad. And these Chacos will definitely recoup. I am going to be keeping a couple pairs for my own kids, but will I? And these are, if I didn't say, these are. Hold on.
What's wrong?
This one says 13, and this one says 1.
Uh-oh. How did that happen?
I don't know. They look the same size, but
Did someone's shop have 2 different size feet?
I mean, you can't really usually buy them. I don't know, guys. Look at.
Is it 13 and 1 the?
No, 13 is as big as it goes, and then it starts over at 1 for like Delaney.
I know that. I'm just like spitballing.
How did that even happen?
They're clearly different sizes. Though,
Yeah.
When you do the heel to toe.
And I have to say, like, I'm sure if I reached out to ThredUp, I don't know, maybe they would credit me 1 pair or something. But I reached out to them twice now, and they haven't written back regarding a whole other issue. Like, their customer service just has literally not even responded to my emails. So, well, that's a bummer. That was my best
like
thing.
Tacos, and your kid's right foot is bigger than their left foot. We've got a pair for you.
Yeah. Well, I still think I'll be able to recoup my money, even with the ones that I'm keeping. And I will still list these. I'll list them at the smaller size. The good thing about Chacos is that they're fully like adjustable.
Yeah.
So someone will get a deal.
Yeah, now they're going to get it for less money.
Way less. So weird. But it was still fun, right? Yeah. A little bit. All right. Mechanicsburg.
It's always fun to open. Maybe next time, drop a wrench in for their accident.
Yeah. All right. I don't know why. I just feel like we look blurry. We don't. When we're up closer, maybe. I don't know. Sorry if we were blurry. All right, guys. I hope you have a great night, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.